Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ima from Guru Nanda team. Today, I'm talking about something that people don't realize. Your teeth age just like rest of your body. Enamel thin, gum recede, teeth darker, and your bite changes slowly over years. But with right habits, you can slow your dental aging by years. So what are the causes of aging? Enamel gets thinner. Enamel is like the glass coating of your teeth. Aggressive brushing habits and brushing too hard, acidic food and drinks, and night grinding slowly erode the enamel. And once enamel is gone, it's gone. It never grows back. Dentine gets darker. With time, enamel gets thinner. Under enamel is dentine layer, which naturally gets darker with age. As enamel thin, then darker dentine shows through and the teeth looks more yellow. Then gum recession. Gum gets pulled up with age because of genetic and trauma and brushing habits, and even due to more plaque accumulation. Then it exposes the root, then there would be more sensitivity. Then bite pressure also increases. With age, your teeth wears down. So due to that, your bite collapses slightly. This puts more pressure or force on adjacent teeth. There would be more faster aging. Then nighttime grinding, that is called bruxism. It's very common after the age of 20 due to stress, sleep issues, and lifestyle habits. It can make your teeth age 15 years faster. And even with age, due to medication and dehydration, saliva production also decreases. So due to that, saliva would be low, then there would be more chances of cavities and more plaque accumulation. So how to avoid or slow teeth aging? Prioritize enamel protection. Use a soft bristle toothbrush, then avoid brushing right after acidic food. Use a night guard. That's a huge game changer. It will protect your enamel from grinding and also prevent chips, fractures or cracks. Eat tooth-friendly foods like dairy, greeny vegetables, nuts. It will remineralize enamel. Hydrate yourself. Drink water every 30 to 45 minutes. Saliva is your mouth natural healer. Treat gum issues as early as possible. Scaling after every 6 months. And avoid brushing in a wrong way like in a scrubbing method. Protect your teeth especially during sport activities. Wear mouth guards. It will prevent cracks and chips, and visit your dentist after every 6 months. Early detection prevents years of damage. Your teeth don't age overnight. They age a little bit every single day. Dental aging is mostly preventable. If you protect your enamel, take care of your gums, and manage grinding as early as possible. Follow all these steps which we discussed, and your smile can stay strong, bright, and youthful for decades. Thank you.